I see you. Juggling kids, work, and life, it feels like there's never enough time for yourself. And then you want to start an online business, but you're left alone doing it. I've got news for you. I invested in a proven step by step plan. But let me tell you, you can build something for yourself even with just a little time. All you need to be is consistent, take consistent steps that fit into your life. Let me show you how you can start today without feeling overwhelmed. You deserve this, and I'm here to guide you. A proven step-by-step program that teaches you how to automate your business so that it runs 24/7 while you working a 2-hour workday and your system runs in the background. Our program teaches you attraction marketing. If you don't know how, just learn the skills. Learn how to attract customers to your business. That's one of the most important things to learn when you start an online business. When I started, I didn't know anything about digital marketing. But with this all-inclusive program, you get a pre-built system, an automated system, you get the step-by-step program, you get interactive training, and you're part of a community, so you're never alone in your business. Everything is figure-outable. So if you want to learn more about the program that I use for my online business, which I reach customers globally, let me know in the comments and I would love to share more information with you.